a video on using up some leftovers that I've got. So I've got a load of old roast vegetables and some potatoes and a couple of sausages, which is kind of, you could just put it in the microwave and warm it up and have that for my tea, but that's a bit boring. So I'm going to make a toad in the hole, which is normally just sausages with Yorkshire pudding batter. But obviously I've only got 2 sausages and that would be a rubbish toad in the hole, so I'm going to put the roast vegetables in as well. So it'd be like a vegetable and sausage toad in the hole. So, so the potatoes are they're a bit big, so we just need to cut those in half. I've got the oven on and it's on as high as it will go, and I've got a tray in there with some beef dripping in, and it's getting really hot. Everything's cooked, so we just need to get the tray hot in the oven and the fat hot, put the vegetables in the tray, and then get them sizzling in the tray, and then we can pour the pudding batter on the top. It needs to be hot. It doesn't work from cold. Well, yeah, it might do. I've never tried it actually. I normally throw rules out the window when it comes to cooking, and always question why you have to do things in a certain way. But I'm pretty sure that you have to cook Yorkshire puddings in a really hot oven in a really hot tray. So, sausages, we need to slice them thinner, otherwise one person is going to get all the sausages, so we need to make sure that everyone gets enough like that. It should be pretty cheap. Then it should this. So the onions can stay whole like that, the carrot's fine. That just needs cutting in half like that. The Yorkshire pudding batter is in, I've got it in the old Imperial, so it's half a pint of water, half a pint of milk, 4 eggs and 8 ounces of plain flour, and I need some salt as well. I forgot salt. 2 good pinches of salt. Give that a mix like that. So it's basically it's going to be, I think there's plenty for, it's like 4 really generous portions, so I reckon on an egg per person. So trays on hot. And just slide these vegetables in like that. Now we'll give them a mix around. So everything, if you can imagine, that's going to be 4 really generous portions, so you want a bit of everything in each corner. So it's all nice and even. I think at least 2 bits of sausage per corner. A bit of onion, and this goes back in the oven, and we'll get everything just sizzling just a little bit, and then we'll pour the pudding batter on the top. I was thinking you could do like frittata. I could have done frittata for my tea, or added the roasted vegetables or anything else, but it's cold, it's miserable, and I thought, toad in the hole. So yeah, this goes back in the oven just for 3 or 4 minutes, just to get everything hot before we pour the batter on. Right, so I can hear things frying in the oven. So we can now pour over the Yorkshire pudding batter. And it will be ready when it's ready. We're going to use it all. Yeah, why not? Probably could have got away with 3. Probably could have got away with 3 eggs, but 4 is just a little bit more generous. So in the oven, stick really hot oven, as hot as it'll go, and on fan, and it'll be ready when it's ready. I don't know how long it will take, maybe 20-25 minutes, something like that, but we'll see how we go. Here we go, 25 minutes later. It's ready, nice and crispy on the outside, still nice and soft on the centre, and there we go. A really easy meal made with leftovers that otherwise would be a little bit boring, if I'm honest. I'll work the cost out and I'll put it in the description, but yeah, 4 generous portions and a delicious tea for a miserable day.